Hello everybody, my name's Drew, and welcome back to more Guacamelee! In my awful accent. Picking up, more or less where we left off, I'm fairly sure. Is this way? Right, so that was... this room? Oh no! Oh god. Oh wait, I think I can do this. No, not quite. No! Okay, hold on. I think I can do this. No, I can't. Ah, god damn. Just bear with me. Nope. Okay, hold on. Let me recover some stamina here. I'm really bad at platform games, in case you didn't realize. Fuck. It's left trigger, right? Nope. Fuck off. Nah, forget it. I'm not gonna get it. Screw it. Now, if you remember last time, I kind of fucked up. I think I triggered something I wasn't supposed to. Hello. And I ended up not being able to do... Ow! Fuck you, buddy. Get so dead. Oh, I can't dodge. Oh shit. Oh god. Alright, there we go. Woo! Yes, this is where I fucked up. And I died repeatedly. How is it that we're supposed to... See, there's a way to do it, and like, this is the spot. This is where I died. This is where I died repeatedly. If you remember our last episode. So we might be here for a while trying to do this. I'm really shitty at platforming games. I don't know if you guys knew this about me. If you've never ever seen me play video games before. See, now I'm automatically gonna do that, eh? How in the bloody goddamn... Okay, hold on. Let's turn it back to not death. I also could use some health, but that's beside the point. Now, if I went over here, what does it give me? You're just gonna give me the store. Because that was... Oh, hey! And that was for the teleport thing, wasn't it? Yeah. And I don't need you. Thank God stamina refills. Okay, so let's calmly think about this. It's gotta be a matter of just timing it right, but my timing is fucking awful. Okay, so maybe that's it. So I can't air jump at all. I've discovered this. But what if I... No. Okay, so I'm in the shadow world. Well... Oh, so close. I feel like I'm really missing something here. Because we have to go that way. Spoiler alert, I kind of looked up what needs to go down. And that kind of needs to go down, so to speak. And I mean, if I'm gonna be this terrible at games, come on, this will be my last attempt at on camera. There might be some funky editing coming here of me overfailing. Over and over and over. Come on. Oh, fuck. I feel like there's like a sweet spot to... No. Fuck. There's a sweet spot to do it in. 'Cause I feel like if I hit that one when I'm going... Because that'll immediately turn it to night, and I don't want it to be night because I friggin' want to be on that side. Like, I have to hit. Not too early. So close. I'm... Come on. Fuck. Okay, so no, it's got to be something to do with... I wonder if I can I... No. I wonder, can you actually chain these together? No. There's actually like a delay between them. I'm gonna make a quick cut in the video and I'm gonna have to look up how the fuck to do this. Be right back, guys. Well, we're back. I'm stupid. You can drop through these platforms using the A button. Which means if I do it just right... Ah, shite. Oh no. Oops. No, I'm not doing it right. Oh no, come on. There you go. Got it. Good goddamn, that took way too long. Do I have any money? Do I? No, I don't. I'm just shy. Ugh. Okay, well. Oh lord. Got it. Oh, I can't. No, okay, no, that's not gonna work. Wait, where were my abilities? Hold up. What was the special ones? Goat jump, wall grab is Y. Throw. What was the actual? Okay, B was just the Olmec headbutt. Alright, okay, so we're gonna go down. Oh, okay. Oh, it's one of those. Oh fuck. Okay. Shit. Ah, so close. Oh, what am I doing? Oh god. Fuck. Oh, terrible platform games. Got it. Alright. That wasn't too terrible. Oh shit. Oh, I didn't start a timer. Oh no. We'll be okay. Oh god. Ow, my face. You motherfucker. Get dead. Come on, can I? Oh, there's a dude down there. Oh fuck, I totally wasn't even paying attention to that. There you go. Alright, now we're back in the action. Can I not headbutt you? Is that not... It's yellow block. I Olmec's headbutt you. There you go. That's what I wanted. Yes. Heart piece. Boom, baby. Okay, so that's our easy way back. But, well, let's go this way. Hey, I saved a person? Oh, no. Luchador! Or luchador. I don't know. You haven't seen an El Brige around here, have you? He's large, multicolored. Looks like a fish mixed with a cat snake. A ferret? He's about the size of a house? Why are you so angry? Well, don't yell at me. Why are you yelling at me? I like this. Are you hiding him, luchador? She's angry at me. Every second I look. I don't know. I can't do this. There's one more second Kalaka spends alone with that sacrificial trout. I don't know. Imagine a scream. That was bad. Anyway, moving on. I'm. Wow, she's got some real mood swings, man. Well, I don't know what that's about. Not to go find the stupid El Brige. I hope I'm saying that right. I really. Maybe next time we can truly tango. Cha cha cha. Okay, bye. Oh, okay. Oh hi. Oh dear. Eat a bunch of dicks. Oh asshole. Get fucked. Oh Jesus Christ. Oh so many people. Oh so many people. Yeah. Oh boy. Hi. Oh no. Oh shit. Oh shit. I don't know what's going on. Oh god. Oh god. Oh my face. Well, I died. Oh, don't make me do this again. Yeah. Fuck off. Oh fuck, that's not good. Oh man, this guy's crap. Come on. Get. I didn't kill you. There you go. Now you're dead. Oh fuck. Oh god. Everything's terrible. Stand his butt, stand his butt. Oh fuck, my face. Oh god, this is a terrible decision. Get his way. Please no more ads, please no more ads. Yeah, I got him that time. Booyah, baby. Smell you later. Thanks for all your loot. But still not enough for a upgrade, eh? Man, they are stingy on the money now. Smash that with my old face. Oh, come on. Like, that is fair. Okay, that's enough for an upgrade. Nope. Haha, fuck you, buddy. Beat in the face, beat in the face. Ow. There you go. Now I wonder what, I guess. Ooh, giant killer times 3. That's pretty badass. Oh. Oh, they still hurt. Oh no, they still hurt. Oh god, oh god, oh god. There we go. I hate platforming. literally the worst. Oh shit. There we go. Okay. At least the music is still badass. Oh, thank you. Yes. Abilities. Freaking about damn time. Okay, stamina boost, stamina regen, respawn boost, stun boost. We've already purchased those. Do I have like a health regen? Yes. I feel like that would be a good idea. Stamina delay. Reduce the time you have to wait before standing against regenerating. Generates more quickly. I'm gonna go with the health regen because I seem to really need health regen. So we're gonna go with that. Oh, well, that was a waste of those. Whatever. Okay, so that's what I can kind of... Oh, hi. Oh, hey. Juan. Yes. Looks like Kalaka carried out a ceremony here, but you've missed it. Well, shit. I wonder where they've gone. Maybe you should head back to Santa Lucita to look for clues. Maybe I should. Wait, what was that? Oh, fuck. Is that what I think that is? Yeah, I got a bad... You have a bad feeling? I got a bad feeling about... You know, bad feeling. Nonsensical bullshit is what you have. Quick, get out of here. No shit. Well, not everybody can fucking teleport. Oh, that's not good. Bye. Oh god. Oh Jesus. Well, alright. Ah. Oh. Fuck you. I'm not even gonna worry about this asshole. No, not worrying. Oh shit. Oh god. No, 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 no. Oh fuck. Oh my god, this is so hard. Mostly because, okay, so I'm gonna complain like a bitch, because I am. For certain elements of the controls, it's like, because there's combos and shit involved, that to be done, like, you have to actually friggin' time things. I'm gonna complain about that, because it's like, if there's even like a slight tilt on the control, doesn't work. Yeah, no, fuck you guys. I'm out. Fuck you guys. Oh, and I gotta wait. Oh, that's the worst. Oh god. Oh god. No, 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 no. Got it. I'm out. Bye-bye. Get wrecked. Into the lava. That's awesome. Oh man, so that's got to be the new title sequence right there, maybe. Oh, hi. Sorry, luchador, but your princess is in another castle. I love the little references. That's fantastic. Another castle with my boyfriend Kalaka. Oh, she's angry. Grr. That's the best you're gonna get. Ever since El Presidente's daughter has been entered the picture, my relationship with Kalaka has been ruined. I think she's jealous. And now you've gone and killed his pet El Abrige. El Abrige I was taking care of. Well, what? Wow, that escalated quickly. I would kill you where you stand, luchador, but I have a trap to catch. Okay. And Amanda went over. Okay. Alright, bye. Go back to Placey Place. Oh, that's death. That's what that is. Okay, well, whatever. Oh, hey, nice. I just got so much stuff. Booyah. Shit, yeah, I did, son. Headbutt that. And that. Sure, for funsies, why not that one, too? Oh, I can use you to get back, too. Yes, I would. You've got no liquids over 3 ounces. That's awesome. Booyah! Alright, so we're back in Santa Lucita. Okay, can't get up that way. Moving on. Castle Crunchers, I forgot about that. That was awesome. Fuck you, chicken. Nobody likes you. Okay, so I still haven't found the other musician dude. I don't know where he would even be. What else we got going on here? Yeah, Teddy's Tacos, which apparently are so spicy they require a skeleton. Where would I find? If I was a musician, where would I be? Forest. Let's go to the forest. Werewolf tequila. Loading. Can I even do anything new in the forest? I wonder. Oh, there's dudes to murder. Oh, I guess I can't. Okay, there we go. Oh, hey. No, you're 1400. Enough. We need to be in the shadow world to actually, like, go that way. What's over here? Nothing. Oh, wow. Boom. Get dead. Okay. Let's go back this way. I wonder, because I want to know if there's anything that I've unlocked or whatever. Probably not. But we'll see how far I can go before it yells at me, and then we'll probably call it a day. Okay, nope, don't need to worry about that. We got this. Can I go this way now? Also, I like the fact that I don't take damage while I'm in the middle of a throw. That is what I would call... Okay, so that needs to be shadow worlded. I'm gonna keep going down, see what we find. Oh god, so many platforms. Jesus Christ. Down we go. Come on. Alright, I feel like I'm not actually making headway here. So we're probably gonna just say screw it and... Oh, ow, my face. The good news is I'm farming. And that's important because money buys us stuff. Nope, stealth, don't hit that thing. Oh, hey! Oh, okay, that was the roller. Oh, God. Oh, God, my face. Ow. It's okay. Nobody panic. We got this. Now I can actually get to that chest. Nice. I am okay with this. Fuck these guys in the mouth. Suplex. I think that was what that was. Hey, we're back here now. Okay. This is looking better. Oh well, okay, that wasn't better. Wait, wasn't there anything? No, there was nothing over there. Okay, so this is actually stupid because there's actually no way for me to go anywhere from here. Because that other place was just the... there was like a chest or whatever there. If I remember correctly. Ow. Oh, come on. They have like a really wide detection radius. That I'm not a fan of. Okay, come on. But there's like I keep saying, there's a lot of timing things in this game that are like super precise. It's not like I can press it here and still dodge, right? Like I'm doing the dodge. You need to be at like X distance from Y thing in order to actually make it happen. Wait, was I just... Yeah, this is where I want to go. We'll go back to St. Lucia and then we'll call it a day. So I wonder if the mines are gonna open up to us more now. Also, did you ever notice the slight Minecraft things in the background? Oh, this was Goat Dude's house. Okay, I can't open that yet. Oops. Okay, we'll go back. Can't do the blue ones yet. We can do red and we can do gold. So we're kind of limited on where we can go. I was hoping I might be able to get back to like the starter. Oops. Okay, that didn't work. Yeah, starter town area. Oops. There we go. I was kind of hoping we'd be able to get there, but doesn't look like it. You need to unlock more stuff first. Nope. Fuck you, buddy. And we'll use this. Oh, no, apparently. Okay, that worked. Okay, there we go. Now we're talking. Oh, hey, I can use you. Abilities, duh. Let's grab. Do I want regen or do I want delay? Let's do delay. I want lower delay before it starts to regenerate. The rate at which it regenerates is okay. All right, there we go. We're back at St. Lucia. Well, guys, we have conquered the Temple of Rain, despite me being the biggest derp in the history of derp. I keep saying I'm bad at video games, but at least I'm moderately entertaining. As always, guys, if you did like the episode, you know what to do. Go ahead and spam that like button. It always helps me out tremendously. There's a few more episodes of this in here. I may even beat Guacamelee. We will find out. As always, if you have any comments, questions, you can always leave them in the comment section. You can find more work I have done in the comment section, or in the description, comment section, wow, in the description box below. You would think I'd never done this before. At any rate, guys, as always, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye!